In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign a PDF using iLovePDF. Whether you're signing contracts, forms, agreements, or other documents, iLovePDF makes the process quick and easy right from your web browser. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the homepage, you will see a variety of PDF tools available. To access the Sign PDF tool, all you have to do is go on the top menu. There is a drop down here and go to the PDF security, click the Sign PDF. Now, all you have to do is select the PDF file. Browse your computer and choose the PDF document you want to sign. Or you can also drag and drop the file itself and then wait for it to load. And once your PDF is ready, all you have to do now is click this option if you want to sign it using only yourself or if you are expecting to be signed by several people. In this case, we're going to choose the first option, and then all you have to do now is put in your initials. You can put in, for example, let's say in my case, my full name is Answer ASAP. You can choose from a signature here. Let's say I'm going to choose the third option. You can also choose the color that best represents your style, preferences, or your brand, or even your identity. So I'm going to choose the red one. You can also use an AC initials or a company stamp. If you want to upload your company stamp, you can do that as well. But for now, we're going to choose the signature, which is this one. And all I have to do now is click the apply button. Once you've done that, all I have to do now is click the simple signature. It will be added to your PDF, and then click the sign button. Let's say I'm going to drag it here and click the sign button. After the signing process is complete, all I have to do now is download the signed PDF. The signed document will be saved to your device and will be ready to share or upload whenever you need it. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to sign a PDF using iLovePDF. It's a simple way to electronically sign documents without needing additional software. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.